Alright guys, so I didn't get to show you guys this new pickup in the last vlog, so I'm gonna unveil it now. I don't know if this is gonna be a style vlog or just a vlog, because I know that I have some stuff planned for the rest of this week, but we're just gonna roll with it. I am gonna show you guys what I picked up now. I'm probably gonna throw them on and rock them out today because I've been super excited to unbox these and totally wear them with some fits. I've been saving them for you guys before I actually break them in, but let's get into this now. Before we get into it, what do you guys think it is? Maybe you guys should pause the video right here, drop your comments below. Let me know what you think before we dive into this bag, and let's go. I completely botched the packaging, but I'm gonna just do it like this. Bam! I have wanted these for so long. These are the Celine, I believe this is Fall Winter 19. Runway, leather studded jeans, pants, whatever you want to call them. My SA reached out, told me they were having a sale, and I went and got them. And I absolutely love them. And they may not be for everybody, but they are totally for me. And I completely missed out on these Saint Laurent studded Eddie pants from Surf Sound, and I'm still hunting for them, so I knew I wasn't going to do the same thing with these. And the leather is just so nice. The studs are super heavy. I absolutely love all the detailing on them. I love that it's like double stitched, knee stitch, and these silver studs just completely go all the way down the leg. So with boots, with sneakers, this is going to be sick. I'm gonna go figure out what I'm gonna wear them with today, and then we're gonna do some on-body clips so you guys can see how they work. And we're gonna get into this vlog, so let's go. So I gotta film this whole thing off my phone. Alright guys, so I'm in Soho with Miss Amber Nicole. Amber Nicole. I don't know what I call you, Anna Nicole. It's not your name. Anyways, we're on our way. Do a little shopping, a little lunch. Soho, beautiful day in NYC finally. I fumbled and forgot my memory card in my camera, so I have to film off the iPhone right now, but quality's still gonna be A1, people. But show you my fit. Wearing the Celine pants right now. Fall Winter 19. Leather runway pants. Saint Laurent Blazer. Safe khaki long sleeve. Celine shades. Amber's in her Balmain. Yeah. Styling and profiling. So probably gonna go hit the real quick and then link up with some friends. So we're gonna take you guys along for the ride, and you'll see us throughout the vlog. So let's go. Those are Rick shades. They're sick. I like that. Amber over here shopping. We're at the Real. Checking out something.
How gorgeous are these palazzo pants?
Those are what, Chanel? Yeah, those are sick.
Happen to be
They kind of look like the Zimmerman ones in black.
But in black?
Those are sick. I see the vibe.
What's the verdict?
I like them. How much are they?
$6.95 in my size.
Wonderful. Check back in later if she decided. Checking out this piece of Celine. This thing runs crazy oversized though. Can you hold that up so they can see it? How like oversized this thing is?
Yeah.
The thing is
like a dress.
Nutty, yeah.
That's kind of nice.
Those are alright. I like that one. That piece is sick. Amber may get the chain boots like I got. It's flannel sick. I'm gonna go have a quick lunch, but I'll piece you guys out. We'll be back momentarily. And we are back, but you know, today I'm not buying anything for myself. She's picking up something for herself, so. Those I like a lot. Bring them over here. Those are sick, yeah.
These I need for the house. With some Birkenstocks. Some socks. Chilling. They got zippers at the pockets too. I felt something. Oh, that was just the tag on these. I probably.
Yeah.
How much are these? I like those. Minimal branding, raw edge. I like those a lot.
$5.50.
Those are cool. I like those. Yeah, so no shopping for me today, but Amber's gonna pick up some goodies for herself, and then we're gonna head out of here and pick up dinner.
Maybe.
These are the nose.
They're not no.
They're no for right now.
Oh, you're feeling the wrong way.
These are the nose, or the nose for right now. Of these? These are cool. They're alright. I'm still more of like a hard bottom. Yeah,
Everyday boot.
more comfortable on the foot.
That one, because we had that boot for uniform too. For me, it's a little too tight. I think I like this kind of one.
I had to take them in a 45. Did they ever come in 46 or no? No, right? Thanks, bro. Yeah, I like this one. What do you think of this? Amber, what do you think of this one?
This is cool.
This is the one he wore when he came out.
Really?
Yeah.
And then you must be dying inside right now.
I like this one a lot.
Good combination with your leather pants. Boots. Very adding.
Full Celine.
Very adding.
Alright guys, so it's a new day. Amber's gonna unbox her pickup from Celine now, and we're gonna show you guys what she got, so let's jump into that. Alright, so crack that bad boy open.
The receipt and the essay card.
What do you think she got, guys?
Comment down below your guess
Alright.
right now. And drum roll, please. Oh, dramatic. Okay.
Last pair and last size in this thing in the whole US.
Are you ready?
I don't think there's any in Europe also. Go ahead. Bam, because she's such a copycat. Actually, she's not a copycat because she made me get my pair. So
Yeah, he was gonna leave them, and I was the one who actually made him do it. Got my
it was
own
reversed
pair.
for this pair because you were gonna leave them, and I told you to go back and get them.
I know. Actually, I did leave them.
So sick.
They're beautiful.
Literally the last size 40 in the whole US.
Yep.
What happened? There's a nick on them.
There's a scuff right here.
You'll be all right.
It's fine.
It's leather. It'll come out.
It'll get soft. It's because this was actually the display pair.
Let me see. So Amber got the Carmague biker chain boots, the harness boots that I got. You guys pretty much know what boot this is by now. Celine by Eddie Slimane. Amazing boot. Yeah, these things are sick. Where's my pair? There's my pair. So now we got matching pairs. So tiny pair, big pair.
Do they look any different?
I don't think so. Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my pair is actually the original release, and then they ended up doing a second round. So this is the second round. I don't think that there's any differences that I can note. They feel exactly the same. Same thing on the inside. Let me see if mine's all black. Yeah, it's the same exact thing.
They just seem different, I guess, because they're so much smaller.
Yeah, you can see the details more prominent. Whenever it's smaller, the details pop a lot more.
Yeah.
A little bit of on-foot action. See how they look. Yeah, they're sick.
Ladies, don't be afraid to buy some men's shoes.
Yeah, if they fit, they fit. They look fire.
Okay. I think they look great.
Do a front. Turn all the way. No, they do. That is going to wrap up this vlog, people. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Especially if you enjoy content like this, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to to stay up to date with all my content. I don't know why I'm not facing the camera when I'm saying that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. As always, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Me and Amber actually have something very exciting to share with you guys.
Very exciting.
In the next vlog, possibly, or maybe 2 vlogs from now.
Yeah, the next video or 2.
Next video too. So we will get into that soon with you guys. We're super excited for that. So we will see you guys in the next vlog. Stay safe and see you next time. I don't know why I'm jumbling up all my words. Peace.